Hi, in this video, we'll create Node Manager. We'll discuss about the Node Manager configuration in WebLogic 12c. So this is my admin console. So for example, go to the servers. Currently, I have admin server here. This is my VS domain. Under this domain, we have currently admin server, which is running. The MS1 is the managed server. If we want to start this managed server, we can't here, because we don't have node manager associated with the server. So that's why we'll create the node manager and we'll start the servers. We'll start and stop the server with the help of node manager. So we're ready to go. So in order to create the node manager, first go to the machines. First we need to create one machine. Click on new, and here you can give the machine name. Okay, and this is other, you can leave as a default. Click on next, and see here type of SSL, the secure listener port, you can give the plain, and yeah, that's it. Node manager listener port is 5556. This is the default one, and the listen address is localhost. Click on finish. That's it. So we have completed, we have created one machine here, and now we want to add the servers into this machine. Add here. So here, what are the servers we want to add this machine? So currently we had admin and MS1 for this domain. So I don't want to start the admin server with the help of node manager. I will at the same basically the admin server will start from the script itself. So I will add MS1 manage server here and click on next. Yeah, that's it. Also all changes have been activated. So here you have one machine, and MS1 is associated with that machine. Machine name is machine1. The state of the server is currently shut down. So this is completed the machine creation. Coming to the monitoring part, see here, uh, the status of the node manager status is inactive. So node manager is currently shut down. So before going to start the node manager, you should have to do some configuration settings here. Go to this path. Basically, the path is domains, the domain name, and the node manager. So under the node manager, we have node manager dot property file. So you click on that, and you can edit. See here, secure listener is, you can do the files. That's it. And you can save here, close this file, and go to this. Now you are good to start the node manager. So now under the bin domain home, vs domain, under the domain home bin, start the node manager, start node manager.cmd. See here. So wait for the process, needs to be up and running. Our aim is to here it should be reachable. The status of node manager is reachable. So then only we can able to start and stop the servers with the help of node manager. See here, the plain socket listener started on port 5556, and MS1 is associated with this particular server, currently shutdown state. So now you can refresh the console, go to the machines, under that select the machine, under the node manager status is, go to the monitoring, and this is reachable. That's it. We are good to start the manage servers with the help of node manager. See here, click on servers and go to the control section of the servers. Click on MS1. I want to start the server with the help of node manager. Click on start. That's it. A request has been sent to the node manager to start the selected servers. Just refresh this particular window. See here, the server is starting. So this is how you can create the node manager. First you should create the manage machines, and you can add the servers, manage servers which you want to start and stop the servers with the help of node manager. So you can add those particular servers into that particular machine, and then we should select the secure listener port, SSL port, as the plane. And this is from WebLogic console end. And coming to the directory saying you should go and domain home and then node manager and node manager dot property file. You can edit this property file with the help of SSL listener put is false. That's it. So this is how you need to create. See here, the server is still starting stage. Wait for some time and then server will get to the running state. This depend upon the this depend upon the machine configuration. And the speed of that particular machine. We'll wait for, yeah, MS1 is running state. Yeah, this is how you need to create the node manager, creation and configuration of the node manager. Stay tuned for more videos from the channel. Thank you for watching this video.